Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today has nothing to do with makeup, but I want to show you this lazy French braid routine that I happened to find on TikTok, and I want to show you guys right now. So mind you, I do not know how to do French braids. I could try and look at as many tutorials. I always have to have a friend or a family member put a French braid in my hair. So today I'm going to try to master this lazy French braid. Okay, so I'm going to go right into it. I parted my hair in the middle. Okay, you could take one of these combs, all right? And again, I just went right in the middle and I made sure that my hair was literally split in the middle. Okay, make sure as well that you are combing your hair as well so you don't have any knots to deal with when you're doing this. Okay, so I'm gonna start on this side first. All right, so let me just bring this up a little. Okay, so what she did was, the girl in the tutorial, she took the top section of her hair. Okay, I think I'm going to take a little bit more. I'm going to take this amount, okay? So this is supposed to be like a third of your hair on that one side. So she started off by just making a regular braid. Okay, so we're going to do that right now. I might fast forward some points because sometimes I can get very slow at making braids. Okay, so this is how she started, all right? And I'm going to make this very, very tight and make sure that no hair is getting in the way. Okay, I'm trying to go as fast as I possibly can. Make sure you get it all the way on the bottom and make sure that there are no ends coming out. I know sometimes that this might be hard for when you have a lot of layers, so just be careful of that. Okay, all right, so here's one. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to make sure again that you split your hair in half. All right, now I'm going to take two of the portions here. Okay, hopefully this is, let me see, just in the back. Let's make sure that this is split evenly. Okay, you can actually feel with your hand. All right, now I'm going to do two parts. Okay, I'm going to take these two parts, just like this. And maybe I should put more in there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to, that's going to be like our third one. We're going to do this. Okay, if you guys can see what I just did. So you're crossing that braid with other braids, the two portions as well. And it doesn't even look like, oh cool, it does look like, well, it's, yeah, because it's coming all the way up here. So that's a lazy French braid. All right, guys. Now when you have finished, you're going to put your hair, tie it in a ponytail. Okay. All right, guys, so that's one side. Okay, and as you guys can see here, I have to just, so if you have this type of stuff, like this one's really sticking out, all you do is you could just comb it back like this, and you could just put a pin in it, which I'm probably going to be doing later. All right, so let me show you again. So this is how it looks. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to do the second side. So my hair has been growing so much, like, oh my goodness, but it's growing healthy. And I do get treatments for my hair at home. So if you guys want to know what I do, just comment down below and I will let you know the treatments that I use for my hair to keep it healthy and luxurious, smooth and silky. Okay, so now again, what we're going to do is we are going to take the top portion. Let me see if I can add a little bit more hair. I think this is good. So again, this portion right here, right? Okay, and then this hair I'm going to just leave to the back. All right, so just make sure you have all that in. And what I do is I take the one that's on the bottom this right here, so this comes out of my face. Okay, so here we go, and we're gonna start braiding. So pull it, okay. And guys, I have done this before. It literally takes like maybe 3 minutes. Okay, here we go. Now guys, make sure again, like I told you, please make sure that you comb your hair the entire way through when you're doing braids, because when you're doing something like this, you could start to develop knots and it's not going to be pretty, because then you have to stop and you have to comb your hair. So what I usually do, these are the days when I've like straightened my hair or I've had a blowout, and then like at the top my hair starts to become greasy. Most of the time I don't use dry shampoo, so when my hair just gets greasy on those days, I put it in braids like this. Alright, so this is it. Okay, this is done. Now we're going to take this portion here that's left remaining, okay, and that's why I'm pulling it this way towards my face. Alright, we're going to split it into two. Okay, and I'm going to do actually, let's do, I'm going to put it this way. Okay, so we're going to start, hold on. Okay, we're going to start like this. All right, and then you're going to start braiding your braid in the braid. Okay, make sure it's tight. Okay, and that's it. And put a little tie at the end. And voila! Alright guys, so after that, I told you if you have anything that's sticking out, for instance this right here, I don't have any pins with me, but I would definitely put a bobby pin right here to this little thing that's coming out. Alright guys, so instead of just bobby pinning it, I took it out and I'm going to actually redo it in front of you again. Okay, so this side is fine, but I also did a close-up. Alright, so I took everything out, as you can see, and what I'm going to do is I comb it out with my hand and I make sure that there is no bumps. Okay, now how you can easily fix that problem from what happened before, you're going to take the back end, okay, where you're separating the first braid, okay, I'm going to split this up. All right, and then what you could do is you can actually put that down first and then start braiding. Okay, so again, I make sure that I really put this tight. It's so weird, like I'm trying to remember when I was a kid how I learned how to make braids. And it's like once you start the process, it's like you just your fingers know exactly what to do this braid. So it's like I could just keep making a braid and making a braid and making a braid if my hair was like 6 feet long. Okay. All right, so let's do it all the way to the end. Okay, all right, now here's the braid. All right, now, again, you're gonna pull these sections, not pull, but like comb it nice. And you're gonna take it away from your head like this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make 2 sections. Okay, 2 sections just like this. And I'm gonna use that braid. I'm gonna put this actually first. So let's do it like this. Okay, I'm going to put this section over first. Okay, make sure you grab everything and actually I'm going to put that underneath. All right, here we go. Tighten it. See, now we don't have any. Okay, so if that ever happens, guys, I told you, you could easily fix it with a bobby pin or just do it over again, you know. If it's going to be like a lazy day where you want everything out of your face, then definitely you can do that. You could always fix it. All right. So see, look, I do have something sticking out. This is my layer. What am I going to do? Oh, wow. Doesn't matter. All right. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to fasten it with a clip. And here we go. So guys, this is the lazy French braid hair. So do the sides. Let me show you the back. It might be a little bit messy, but oh wow. Alright guys, so here you go. Here you have it. Here is the lazy French braid. TikTok, mwah, I love you. Thanks for always making me scroll through your never-ending videos, and this is such a cool hack for those of you guys that don't know how to make French braid pigtails. Alright guys, I hope you guys like what you saw. I hope you're able to do this, which if I can do it, you can definitely do it. Just slow motion my video and trust me, it'll be easy. Alright guys, if you like what you saw, please like that video, the like button right there, and press that subscribe and you can see more of my videos. Mwah. Bye everyone!